In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp leads to Google Sheets using Zapier. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This will open the automation builder, where you'll connect WhatsApp Business to Google Sheets, so new lead information can be saved automatically. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, look for WhatsApp Business and select it. After that, choose the trigger event you want to use. A common option here is New Message Received, which is useful if you want every incoming lead message to be captured as it arrives. Next, connect your WhatsApp Business account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Once that's done, configure the trigger settings based on how you want Zapier to detect incoming messages. These settings help make sure the workflow pulls the right kind of lead data from WhatsApp. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier should try to fetch a sample WhatsApp message so you can confirm the connection is working properly. Take a moment to review the sample data and make sure it includes the information you expect, such as the sender details and message content. If everything looks correct, click Continue. Now it's time to set up where that lead data will go. Click the Action step, then search for and select Google Sheets. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to add each new lead as a separate row in your sheet. After that, connect your Google Sheets account. Once connected, select the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want to store your leads. Make sure the sheet is already organized with column headers, so mapping is easier and cleaner. Next, map the WhatsApp lead fields to the correct spreadsheet columns. For example, you can match the contact name to a name column, the phone number to a phone column, the message content to a message column, and the date to a date column. Careful mapping is important here because it determines how neatly your lead data will appear in the spreadsheet. When that's finished, click Continue, then click Test Step. Zapier will send a sample record to Google Sheets. Open your spreadsheet and verify that a new row has been added with the correct information in each column. If the test looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. With the automation now live, send a test WhatsApp lead message and then check your Google Sheet again. You should see the new lead information added automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.